3-axis milling improvements. In ZW3D WuKong 2027, the 3-axis milling module has been remarkably upgraded, such as adding new 3x chamfer de burr and 3x point curve operations, optimizing the step-over function of Z constant and region mill operations. Add 3-axis chamfer de burr to 3-axis milling. In previous versions, 2-axis chamfer de burring could not cover all areas, as shown here. Unmachined regions can be checked by solid verification. A new 3-axis chamfer de burr operation is introduced. Create the operation. Select the part and ball tool. Set chamfer length to 0.2 and calculate the toolpath. From verification, the operation fully covers all chamfer areas. Add 3-axis point curve to 3-axis milling. Create a 3-axis point curve operation. Select the guiding contour, then the part, and assign a ball tool. For multi-layer machining, enable multiple depth cutting. 3 options are provided: stock offset and step down and cut counts, stock offset and cut counts. Check the results. The tool paths are evenly distributed along the surface normal, suitable for mold runner. Optimize step-over of Z constant and region mill operations. First, compare the tool paths enable and disable optimized step-over. This is the result of Z constant disable optimized step-over. And this is the result of region mill disable optimized step-over. Local areas show uneven tool paths, either too dense or too sparse, affecting machining quality. Next, let's see how to enable the optimized step-over. This is the created Z constant operation, the part feature, and the machining area. In cut levels, set the type to optimized, then calculate the toolpath. The generated toolpaths are more uniform, improving machining quality. Similarly, for the region mill operation, set the step-over type to optimized and calculate. The toolpaths are also more uniform. In ZW3D WuKong 2027, the optimized step-over function of Z constant and region mill operations generates more uniform step-overs on surfaces, achieving better machining results. These are the key improvements of 3-axis milling in ZW3D WuKong 2027.